Hello everybody, we're back again. Hope you're all well and good. I've got another case knife to show you. Right, let's have a quick swig of my coffee. And this knife is called a case equestrian's knife. Equestrians meaning horses. Anything with horses, really, I think. It's amber bone. Beautiful, pretty amber bone. Look at that back spring. Not a gap in it. My dad has a horse riding school. So my boy's over there a lot, helping out, riding and doing all that. And I was looking through Moonraker knives and I thought, look at that, my boy's going to love that. So I pulled the trigger on it and bought it for him for Christmas. That there is a hoof pick for cleaning out the stones and mud at your horse's hooves before you ride. Stainless steel. And these tangs are stamped, not etched, which I think case should do more, is stamp their blades. Because in time the etching wears off, you know. I think everybody will agree with that. Go back to stamping case, come on. The dots on this one, this is a nice clip point blade. I think it's a clip point or a drop point, someone let me know. We've got 4 at the top, 5 at the bottom. On there. 4 at the top, 5 at the bottom. I'll have to look that up. Good little snap. Blade right down the middle. I don't know if he'll use it, my boy, or he'll just keep it. I hope he just keeps it. And he just uses one he has, so he just keeps it for, say, a little keepsake. Solid on there, it's not dropping. Yeah. I've not seen many of them. It's a little bit of a coincidence because I bought it for my boy. He opened it Christmas Day, and then a couple of days later the knife doctor done his video. I watched it and he was opening up a parcel and he pulled one out of the box and I thought, oh, exactly the same. So yeah, it's a bit of a coincidence that. But yeah, like anything, I can't really fault it, to be honest with you. It's a very good knife. Well, I've got another little one here, which is mine, which I received as a birthday present from my 2 sons and my daughter. And it is a little case peanut. Great little second carry, this. I never ever thought about buying one myself because of how small they are, but since I've had it, it's been in my pocket as a second carry and I've used it quite a bit. Good for peeling apples and stainless steel this, as well as no patina because it has peeled a few apples. Yeah, I've opened, as the kids were opening their Christmas presents, I was opening their boxes of their toys and cutting the zip ties off and all shit like that, you know what I mean? But yes, it's done well. And again, good half stop, look. Solid half stop. Again, look. Not a fault on it. Can't feel that badge. Can't even feel the turned pin. It's in there. Blade centering bang on. Great little knife. I looked them up and there's no difference in price of this and like a big knife. But I can't see them being any easier to make. It would be fiddly, wouldn't they? And then you've got your pen blade. See, they're etched on. That's etched. What's the date on this? 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom, I think that is. Yeah, it's a great little knife. Like I said, since I've had it, it hasn't left my pocket. As a second carry, I carry like my trapper and this. There's 2 great knives, 2 good little carry. I think this red bone, I love this red bone, it's pocket worn old red bone, if I'm right. And I really like this red bone, it looks classy. Red, and then with the brass, where it goes into the brass, it just looks really classy. I love it. Yeah, you can't feel any edges going into the bolsters. It's a great little knife. And then another Zippo. Bullet hole. B09. So that's February 2009. I don't even smoke. I don't smoke, but I do have a fire. I'm not no pyromaniac or nothing, but we have a little fire pit in the garden, and I've got a swing pan that goes over it, and we cook on there, and a bit of outdoor cooking and all that. Burn a few bit of rubbish and that, so yeah, that comes in handy. It does. Yeah, and then this little book. Let's move him. Little book I've been having a read. Guy's Guides to Pocket Knife. It's quite interesting. There's a lot of stuff in there I already know about, but it goes to in more detail and introduction. Yeah, evolution of the knife, Iron Age to modern age and all that, and the peasant knife. Yeah, but that's slip joints, like Barlow, origin of the term jackknife, the Congress peanut, Stockman trapper. Yeah, and that's where I've got to at the minute, so I haven't got far with it, but it's been good so far. And there's just little bits that I didn't know, like I knew Case was making knives in the 1800s, but I didn't know they was travelling around selling them out of the back of a wagon and things like that. Little details that I didn't know, you know what I mean? So it's been good. I think it was off of eBay or somewhere like that. Yeah, I don't think they're very expensive. Good little read. So there we have it. 2 case knives, 1 Zippo, 1 book, 1 cup of coffee. Thank you very much, everybody. Give us a like and subscribe. It does help out. So I can keep the videos coming. And yeah, I hope you're all well and have a good day. Thank you very much. God bless.